Welcome back, statistics students. We are still in chapters 6 through 8. This is video number 2. I've done problem number 1. Okay, I'm going to be doing problem number 2 here, which is draw a scatter plot. Remember in the first video I showed you how to plug in the data. So here you should already have the data plugged in. Now what we're going to do is we're going to draw a scatter plot. So we hit second stat plot. We go up to our very first one. Okay, mine looks like it's turned on. We just need to make sure we're on the right one. This one over here, remember, this is a normal probability plot. This one right here is the scatter plot. We hit enter. We know it's a scatter plot because it instantly asks us for a x variable and a y variable. Remember, back in the first video, we allowed L1 to be the spaces from go and L2 to be the cost of the property, which is exactly what we want here. Okay, x is always your explanatory, y should be your response variable. Everything looks to be on cue here, so we hit zoom 9 for the zoom stat, right? And then we have this scatter plot. And now what we're going to do is we're going to try to draw that over here. Now the key is we have to have labels. So we have number of spaces from go is my x. My y then is cost of property. Okay, and now it's not important to be absolutely 100% accurate with your scatter plot here. We just want to kind of fill it in similar to what they have, right? And I think that looks okay. Maybe these ones shouldn't be there. Okay, and then we have, it looks like maybe one here, and then here, right? And maybe it's a little exaggerated, but in general, I think I got them kind of spread out, right? And that is the look. And there is a scatter plot. That is exactly what we want to do, okay? Now, after we draw the scatter plot, we want to go in and we want to talk about the idea of, is there like an association? What are we seeing here, okay? And this is going to lead us into the next video, which I am going to do example number 3. Again, I'm going to continue my pattern of one video per question.